Welcome students. Maharashtra government has taken a good decision to reduce the portion for the standard 1st to 12th by 25%. As the central government has reduced the portion, Maharashtra government also reduced the portion for the students' sake for the year 2021 due to the COVID-19 effect. Here in this video, myself Kavita Kobane is going to present the 25% reduced portion for the standard 10th maths 1. Be ready with your book and pencil. Hope you all are ready with your textbook and your pencils. Here is your index of maths 1, linear equation, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression, financial planning, probability, statistics. Okay, total 6 chapters are there for you, and out of these 6 chapters, 2 chapters they have not done any reduction in that is the arithmetic progression chapter and the probability. In these two chapters you will not find any reduction of the syllabus is there. Rest of the chapters they have reduced little bit for you. It is convenient for all of you. That is because of COVID-19 2021 year is going to get the less time for completing the syllabus. So teachers may not be getting the time to complete the syllabus. For the purpose of that only it is reduced, and for the convenience of the students, for the students to score more marks from the syllabus. If the syllabus will not be reduced, time will not be there and the students will not be get the good marks. They can't score good. For the students' sake, the government has took the decision to reduce the portion. As the central government has taken the decision first, then the state government. Okay, without wasting time, we have just start the pages. Okay, page number 3 you count. Page number 2 first you see. Page number 2, the question it is given, that is to solve the following simultaneous equation. That is based on your 9th standard it is. So just a revision it is. So that is removed from your syllabus, omitted from your syllabus. Page number 3, here also one activity based question is there. So that is also omitted from your syllabus. Come to the page number 4 now. On page number 4, practice set number 1.1, the first question is given, that is activity based question, that is omitted from your syllabus. So this type of question may not be coming in the exam. Okay, then come to the page number 5, question number 2. In that, lot of reduction they have done. Total 6 question, 1 to 6. Okay, so here only one type of simultaneous equation solving method is there. So that is only remain for you. So much they have reduced for you, and for make it more convenient for doing the study it is there. Now after this you have to open the page number 16 directly. In between nothing is there for the reduction. So page number 16, you pause the video and open it. I directly open page number 16 here. Okay, on the page number 16 you can see here the activity based question was there, that is complete the following table, that is reduce. So this type of question will not be asked to you. Page number 17 you can come up over here. Page number 17, fully it is omitted. So that type of questions will not come for solving. That is some fraction like fractions are there and you have to form the linear equation and then you have to put the values. So because of that only that is omitted. Page number 18 also fully omitted. Page number 19, that is also totally omitted. The explanation is solved examples and plus the 1.4 full exercise is omitted because of that COVID. Okay, then come to the page number 28 directly. In between there is no reduction, no cutting. Okay, page number 28, question number 6, you can see here the question number 6, totally all the sums in that question number 6, all 5 sums of that it is omitted for you because of that COVID only it is. After 28, come to the page number 37 directly again. What problems are there for you? So you are not excused for that. Okay, then page number 37, the most and the biggest problem for all of you mostly, that is page number 37, the completing square method. Lot of confusion is there because people think or they thought old method is more convenient and the new method is little bit harder. But after all you are going ahead, you should learn the new things. So new method is more convenient actually, but let it be. The government has reduced because they are getting confused. Some say old method, some say new method, and they are not able to solve it properly. So because to avoid the confusion only and the stress also it is giving, the government think like that. So that's why that question is removed. So based on that, the exercise 2.3 means the practice set 2.3, that is also totally omitted. So you don't have to take much of the tension of this completing square method this year. You are the lucky students now. After the page number 39, come to the page number 42. Page number 42, extra information it is given. Okay, so that is omitted from your syllabus. On page number 43, one activity based question was there. In that they have given two methods for solving. So in that the completing square method they have omitted from that because it is not there for study. So you will not solve it according to that. In the exam also you will not use that method. Then after 42, 43 we did. Okay, then come to the page number 46. Page number 46 and 47 fully omitted. Here this 46, page number 47, that is totally omitted. Page number 48 they have not omitted. Here the obtain the quadratic equation it is there, so that they have not omitted. Keep it in mind. Page number 49, on that the let's remember topic is there. In that they have omitted the first and second points. Okay, and based on that page number, so practice set number 2.5, in that question number 3 was there, so that is also reduced for you. Then after that come to the page number 50. On page number 50 also 2 star mark questions are there. Question number 5 and question number 6, that is omitted for you. Come to the page number 53 now. On page number 53 the problem set is there. In that problem set question number 6 is there. That question number 6 MCQ, choose the correct answer. That question number 6 is omitted for you. Come to the next page, page number 54. The star mark again question is there. Question number 10 it is. That is also omitted from your syllabus due to COVID it is. Okay. Then as like I told you, arithmetic progression, that chapter is not at all touched. They have not reduced anything from it. So whole lesson you have to do it compulsorily. After at the end of this, open the page. That is the next lesson, I think financial planning it is. So in that they have done the reduction. Loss of reduction they have done from the lesson number 4, that is financial planning it is. So in this also you come to the page number 94 directly. Open the page number 94 here. Page number 94, that is more information it was given, that is reduced from your syllabus. After page number 94, come to the page number 96. 96, that is reduced. Page number 97, that is also reduced. Page number 98, that is also full page is reduced. For 99, that is also omitted. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107 and 108. These all full pages they have omitted from your syllabus. So mostly in this, the shares and all these things, mutual funds, the information was there, that is totally omitted from your syllabus. So the questions based on these topics will not be asked in your exams. So next to the page number 111 you come up. On page number 111, problem set number 4b, it is totally based on that topics over there. So this problem set 4b is totally omitted from your syllabus. Next one, probability. As I told that nothing is reduced from the probability also. So this full lesson, arithmetic progression and probability, you have to do it fully there. Come to the next chapter, that is the statistics. Chapter number 6, that is your statistics. In that statistics also, the starting points they have not reduced anything from that. Page number 32, 132 you comment. On that the assumed mean method is there, that is omitted from your syllabus. Page number 133 also fully omitted. Then 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 33, 134, 135 full pages, 136 full page, 137 full page, that is totally omitted from your syllabus. On page number 138 we have the practice set. In that practice set also some of the questions are reduced. Question number 2, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6, that was totally based on the assume mean method. They are omitted from your syllabus. After 138, you come to the page number 159 directly. Okay, that is of the next chapter. We have to do the reduction in that. So in that next chapter, the pie diagram was there. Is there, sir. Page number 159, the pie diagram, that is omitted. 160, that is also omitted. Page number 161, here till let's remember about that, it is totally removed from your syllabus. Means this let's remember also it is omitted from your syllabus. Then page number 164. On page number 164, question number 5, question number 6 is omitted. On page number 165, you can see here page number 2, question number 2, question number 4, they are omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the page number 167. On page number 167 also, this question number 14 is omitted from your syllabus. And the last page is page number 168. On the page number 68, the question number 16 is totally omitted from your syllabus. All this the reduced portion is given in the PDF form in Marathi only. So for many of the students, it is very difficult. English medium students, very difficult to just go through that PDF and understand. So for the convenience of this English medium student, I made this video. Hope you all must have understood it and you must have done the cutting or the reduction with the pencil. Don't spoil your textbook that can be used next year by the students. So we have to conserve the nature. So we have to take care of the nature also. So we have to take care of textbook. Then only we can take care of your nature. So hope you must have done the reduction and best of luck for you. It is giving, now this reduced portion is giving lot of scope for scoring good marks in your board exams. So best of luck to all of you. Goodbye. Thank you students for watching this video. Hope you must have understood the 25% reduced syllabus. You are requested to stay home, stay safe and take good care of your health and best of luck for your exams. Till then, goodbye.